Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming on to do a layout with a combo for both Build-A-Page and Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Let me show you the sketch I'm going to be playing along with today. It is this one right here. So we've got 4 columns with embellishments on each one. Title, looks like embellishments, arrows, mixed media, something in these areas, and I don't know, there's these great little bits underneath. So super fun. You can look at it any which way you want. Oh, and it also looks like you can mat your layout. You can do squiggles, whatever, to do some kind of treatment on the outside. And this was by Deborah Adler Hunt. So very nice sketch that will be fun to play with. Let me show you the photo I have. Sorry, trash truck going by. This is a photo of some of my people having some Frosties. There you go, last year. Oh, can't wait for Frosty season. It's coming. Slurpees are 7-Eleven. These aren't Frosties. These are Blizzards. These are Blizzards, my friends, from Dairy Queen. Okay. Great. So I have this cardstock cut. It doesn't really lend to the, oh, maybe we can use stars for those pieces that look like arrows. That might do it. So the cardstock cut's not really going to work for this layout. I'm going to use some of these treats. Look at an ice cream. And I think that's supposed to be like a Dole Whip thing because these are supposed to be Disney related, but I don't care. It's mine. Let's see. So what do we want to do for our background? I've got lots of paper, which makes me exponentially happy. Oh, this is such a beautiful piece. Maybe I can do 2 of the columns in this. It's just so darn pretty. Let's see. And I want to back it onto something. So let's see. Would that show up enough? Or do I need to double mat it? Oh, we need to double mat it. Okay, we can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and double mat this. Then I'm going to go ahead. I was trying to figure it out. Or, okay, guys, do I want to do columns with it? Do I want to double mat it? Do I want to do, okay, I'm going to mat it like this. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 2 columns in this, 2 columns in this background snaily paper. That's what we're going to do, I think. Do I have enough to do? I have enough to do a column in this piece. All right, I'm gonna make some columns. It's gonna be great. I've got a photo. Let me get this treat right here out. You know, I don't know. Might be able to use all 3. We're gonna see. We're gonna go for it as much as we can. I already have some detail cut out stars right here, so we can use those goodies in the columns. Let's look for a title in all of this. I'm trying to see. All right, so those are all papers. These are goodies. I have got enamel dots. Ooh, this kit has this creamies in it, which is from Shimmer's Paints. And what you do is you go ahead and activate the paint so it'll be ready when you are. So it's one of those things I always just get it going on the top of my desk. That way I can do splatters in it. It'll be fun. It's going to be tone on tone splatters. It'll be great. It's fine. Okay. So there were like arrow pieces and all of that. I'll make sure to bring in some of the arrows. Okay. I like how this is all going. This is totally usable with the product I have on hand. So let me go ahead and mat this, create 4 columns, get them popped down, and I'll be right back. So I've got my papers down. I have this matted. I just have my little goodies popped up here because I thought that would be cute. In this sketch, there is like big arrow pieces. I also want to make sure that each of my little columns get a little bit of a star treatment because why not? Why not? I have them already cut out. So we'll do that. And then, let's see, this one just had something above it and title goes in this section. I'm going to go ahead, I think. Do I want to do this? No, this has to go over here. I need more stuff over here. I need to cut out one more little star. Let's see, out of these 3, oh, I think, do I want to use that one, or that one? I think this one. All right, I'll go ahead and detail cut that out. Need to get a little ink of some kind on these little treats to make them have a little bit more of a something. What else? Guys, what else do I want to do? I have lots of enamel dots. That will be super easy. I have to map my photo. I'm kind of going through going, okay, I have the ish of this whole layout. The base is done. And that's what I always like to do. All right, base is done. Ooh, I have to find some flare that matches. All right, so this is what I have in the kit. Oh, this was a page kit and they're not as huge. That's why. Okay, I had a page kit and a bunch of the embellishments. I'm hip. I'm getting it. We've got it going on. So, let me find some flare. I'm probably going to go ahead and cut out a little bit more of the stars as well. So that way I'll have like 7 on here. I need some odd numbers. So 1, 2, I'll need 1 more. And then, let's see. Let's pick one out together. So we've got gray, we've got that. Need something a little bit more bluey, because bluey is a word in this situation. There we go. I'm going to use lot 1. So I have a little bit of detail cutting to do. Easy peasy. Let me get some flare and I'll be right back. Oh, and I need to map this with just, you know, some of these scraps I have. So I ended up being pretty darn happy that I'm getting some good traction using this product. How about this? Maybe this, and then the back of this. Okay. So I'm going to mat it 3 times, scuff up the pieces. I do have all of these pieces scuffed up. I need to look for some flare. That's what they call that. And I have these pieces placed, but they're not attached down. Actually, my photo and all of the paper is down. So I'm trying to decide if I want the best to go across or down. So let's take a look really quickly. Best. Kind of like it across. Okay, so we have the best. We've got that. We've got this cute little arrowy bit I thought would be conducive because I'm trying to use whatever I can from this stuff. I still have to go ahead and paint my cute little wood pieces, which I'll do. I detail cut out extra pieces. I grabbed all of the stars from this piece, yada, yada, yada. Oh, and I did find perfect flare to go with this. And there's 5 of them, so that's great. So we will get some of these pretties into this cluster. And I'm just going to have these like piles of stars over here. It's going to be like this cluster area. So, you know, I'm kind of going outside, what a shock, of what the, of our original sketch, but you know, the base is there. So it works. So how do we want to do it? Do we want one in each? Let's go ahead and put that one there. We'll just split it up a little bit. 3, we have yellow, blah, 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 blah. We'll do a red up here and then a yellow in this one. Okay, so I'm going to get these pieces tacked down except for my cute little bits that I need to get some Distress Oxides to color them up. I'm going to use some of my Dandelion Creamies. I can do the cute little pineapple with that and some of the popcorns. I think that would be cute. Okay, I'm going to do some painting, a little decorating, get all this stuff tacked down. Then when I come back, we're literally just going to put a few sequins on, and I think that will be it. So super awesome. This came together super quickly, but I'll be back in a minute.